Hi there, it's me again documenting my journey of learning a new language. Today for my writing practice I had nothing on my mind to practice, but then there was a sentence that I put in AI for grammar check and it corrected some of my mistakes, and from that I got a topic for my writing practice. The thing is, there is a sentence that I I got wrong almost every time, and even though I have corrected it a few days ago, I am still making that same mistake. Not mistake, like I got confused about it. The sentence I am talking about is like I have nothing on my mind to practice. So in this sentence I made two mistakes. I corrected one of them and the other one is I was confused. The one I corrected was on my mind. I used to say in my mind, and it's correct too, but not in the context I am using it. And the other one is to practice, that I mistake as for practice, and which is also correct, but of course I am in my context it is not correct. In my context the correct one is to practice. The thing is, when we learn something and repeat and keep repeating it, we start doing that. It's not like any action. When we learn something and we keep doing that regularly, it became when we stop doing that consciously, like we start doing that action or whatever that is unconsciously, like we do not need to put our conscious in it. It is a good thing, but there is a problem in it, and the problem is when we do something unconsciously, we overlook the mistakes that we are making in it, and it's not a good thing because such mistakes are hard to spot, and the same happened to me. The issue with it, like to practice, it's infinitive form, like it's infinitive, like the base verb and infinitive. I am not supposed to make this type of mistake. Like it is very basic, like infinitive and base verb. So the base verb is very simple, like simplest form of verb. Like there is no s or ed or ing or anything else, like sleep, eat, drink, practice, and like that. And the infinitive is when there is a to before it, like to sleep, to drink, to practice, to write, and all that. And we have the same in Urdu too, like verb is called fail in Urdu, and like sleep, sona, and then to sleep means sona, and to write means likhna, and to drink is pina. Like the base verb of this Urdu will be be, lik, so, all that. In English we have infinitive as to before verb, and in Urdu we have na before fail. So same happens in Turkish too, like there is a verb and there is another word with it, like mek, mek or mek with ane, mek, like yes mek, I guess it's for Urdu. Likhna is for likhna, something like that. Same happens in English, Turkish too. I guess this base verb and infinitive role is same for all languages. I might be wrong. It is very basic, and after spending 6 or 7 months in my practice, making such silly mistake is not a good sign, and it's funny too. But the thing is, if I am spotting these mistakes right now, it's mean I am improving. I am detecting the mistakes. I don't know if I am saying it right or not. Let's read what I wrote today, then it will be easy to understand because my words are not strong enough to explain the situation. So let's read. Hi there, it's me again documenting my journey of learning a new language. Right now I have nothing on my mind to practice, but the moment I entered this sentence into my grammar check, I got a topic to practice. So the thing is, we learn something and practice it repeatedly. It becomes habitual, habitual. Eventually, we perform it unconsciously with little conscious effort. The issue with acting unconsciously is that mistakes are hard to detect. When something becomes habitual, we tend to overlook the errors in it. And the same thing just happened to me. I cannot help but laugh at myself. It just only dawned on myself that I am making that mistake. Funny thing, I talked about it just a week ago, and I remember that I said I had no idea what I was talking about. By the way, that sentence is reported speech. Well, now I know what I was saying. So there is a sentence that I often get wrong. I practiced it a few days ago and I thought I understood it, but I was wrong. Today, when it was time to use that sentence, I made the same mistake again. And the sentence is, I have nothing on my mind to practice. I used to make two errors in this sentence. One has been corrected and I am hoping to correct the other one as well. I am talking about to practice. Now there are two things, base verb and infinitive. Base verb is the simplest dictionary form of a verb. Like there is no sed or ing or anything else, just the verb itself, like eat, drink, sleep, write, practice. So we use base verb after two, like to practice, to sleep, to drink, to write. Okay. Now the second use is after modal verb, like can, will, should, must, and would. And the third use is in command, like write, drink, sleep, practice. And the fourth one with do, does, and it, I guess it's the past simple and present simple. We have the same rule in Urdu as well. Now let's talk about infinitive. When we use a base verb and there is a to before it, we call it infinitive. For example, to drink, to write, to sleep, to practice, like likhna, sona, padna, jana, ana in Urdu. We can use infinitive after certain words like want to, need to, decide to, hope to, plan to, how to. Secondly, to show purpose, like I sit here to practice. I bought this pen to write. Like the purpose of buying this pen is to write. I am sitting. The purpose of me sitting here is to practice. Third, we can use it as a subject or after adjective, like to write every day is good for you. Now here is to write is a subject. Another example, it's difficult to speak in public. Here difficult is adjective, so it comes after it, like difficult, and after that we use adjective infinitive. And the third one is reason, like the second one was purpose, like purpose of buying this pen is to write, and the third one is reason, like what is the reason of doing any action. This purpose and reason, that's what I talked about a week ago in my practice. Hopefully I understand it now and won't make this mistake again. Let's see.